any benefit or value out of display campaigns, not Google display specific. Okay, I'm at a loss with display advertising. We are an agency using a DSP that lets us build audience and serve ads with audiences from the trade desk and other data sources. But despite great looking audiences, some decent placements and everything looking good on the front ad, we are getting damn near no actual engagement for visitors. I feel like a fool trying to drive a CTR above benchmark 0.2% while then seeing the visitors doing absolutely nothing on our website. Okay, so it's good that you're tracking your visitors behavior. It's good that you are tracking visitors behavior. I really like this. Okay, but as for your question is regarding that you are running this DSP and you are building audience and serving ads with audience from the traders. So demand side platform is you are using on for Google Ads. I'm trying to understand the question as well. So first of all, there's a few things which I like to add you over here. Okay, display ads doesn't work like search ads. Okay, you may see zero to no conversions. Zero conversions with the majority of the time. So why people use it? Brands use it. Brands mostly uses for marketing. Okay, this helps. The only place where I think, in my opinion, where I feel Google display campaigns are beneficial are retargeting, remarketing. Okay, but interestingly, I also worked with a glasses brand, and they were getting amazing results through the display campaign. So it's not like the display doesn't work at all. Display do work, but not at all places. Okay, it requires a lot of work in optimizing plus blocking IPs. You may see people clicking on your ad and doing nothing, like as you have said over here. So which is where a lot of work is need to be done over here. A lot of IPs need to be done. A campaign will take a lot of time. So unless and until you have a huge budget or there is something which is very beneficial for you in display ads, I do not recommend it most of the time. Yes, but I do recommend retargeting, remarketing through display ads. So in that purpose, display campaigns are very good because user takes multiple times to buy a product, and with display you can create images ads which can create an impression in the user's mind. So in that perspective, remarketing is good. But as I told you, like I worked with the brands and they were doing extremely well with the Google display campaign, but it took them a lot of time in optimization and they spent a lot of budget, and it's not going to be a cup of tea for everyone, which is why I do not recommend everyone. So if you're going to do, if it's nothing beneficial, I do not recommend at your stage where you're getting the very less. Okay, CTRs are also low in display campaign. That is unacceptable. Low in display, that is acceptable thing. Okay, but if the visitors are doing absolutely nothing on your website, so I do not think there is a time to run it. Instead of this, focus on search campaigns and only do remarketing or retargeting. That is how you can grab more customers. So I hope this answers your question and query. And if anyone is a professional with Google Ads, let me tell you that we are a Google Ads partner company and we are helping clients with Google Ads audit, setup and management. You can hire me and my team through the link in the description. We are known as AARSWEBS.com, arswebs.com. So the link is mentioned in the description of this video, and I look forward to working with you. Take care, bye bye.